Hello, welcome to another Ginger Mathematician video. Now, iGCSE Maths Paper 2 is done now. So we're into the iGCSE Maths Paper 4 territory, making sure we revise over the next few days to make sure we're fully prepared to get the A&A star that you deserve. So me, as Ginger Mathematician, I've been teaching iGCSE Maths for 15 years, getting students exactly like yourself the grades that you deserve. I've heard fantastic feedback about my videos from the Paper 2. And now I've launched my top 5 Paper 4 questions, whichever variant that you're doing across the world, you need to know to get an A star. So let me go through the first question here. They're all different topics, always towards the end of the paper to really get you prepared. So my question here is, a bag contains 4 red balls and X blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random from the bag without replacement. The probability that both balls drawn are blue is 1/3. And from this, you're supposed to work out a quadratic, x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. So if you buy this pack, notice you actually get my full answers here. Notice I don't draw the entire tree diagram here. I just draw what exactly I need to work out the question. I get 1 mark for x over x plus 4 for blue, and then the next blue, remember without replacement, will be x minus 1 over x plus 3. Then realizing if you multiply those two fractions together, that will equal the probability in the question. So that's 1/3. Then we need to simplify our fraction, a bit of cross multiplying, and notice we actually do get to the quadratic x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Now, very typical for these questions that combine probability with quadratics. They'll get you to then solve the quadratic to find the number of blue balls in the bag. Remember, x itself is that definition. So you get 1 mark for the factorization and solving, and then 1 mark for realizing x equals 6 is the only answer because we can't have minus 1 blue balls. And then from here, a third ball then is now drawn from the bag. Calculate the probability exactly to our blue. So notice here we can work out in 3 different ways: blue, blue, red, blue, and red, blue, blue. And actually what you could do here, because basically the fractions, when you multiply them, are the same, you could actually take the first one here and just times it by 3. That's an alternative method. And then you get to a half as your answer. So that's question 1 from my top 5 questions. Again, lots of topics are covered. It's probably no surprise what those topics are if you do download it. So if you are interested in this particular pack, I'll put the link in front of you, and also very, very important, my all of iGCSE Maths Paper 4 video 2025 edition. These 2 resources will really supercharge your revision and get you the A&A star grade that you deserve. Very best of luck.